Hi, welcome to Just Legis. Today, we discuss the case details of Jomon K versus Shajimon P and others, also referred as the Boat Lascars case. Let's dive into the case brief. Jomon K, the appellant, secured employment as a boat lascar via October 2012 Kerala Public Service Commission advertisement. A current lascar's license and literacy in Malayalam, Tamil or Kannada was the mandatory requirement. The respondents, Shajimon P and others, are the unsuccessful candidates who challenged appointment of appellant as he did not possess a current lascar's license, but possessed Sirang's license. The Honorable Supreme Court opined that the rule of equity is not applicable in the present case, as the applicant has gained entry through a process which was not legal and valid. The court ought not to ignore the illegality and invalidity to come to the appellant's rescue when exercising its power under Article 142 of the Constitution of India. Let's review to-the-point facts. The appellant applied for the post of Boat Lascar in Kerala State Water Transport Department on the 17th of October 2012. Though the appellant possessed a superior license to Lascar's license, that is the Sirang's license, but he did not have a current Lascar's license, which is an essential qualification. However, Director of Ports wrote a letter on the 9th of October 2012 to the Kerala Public Service Commission, stating Sirang's license holders were good in Lascar work and eligible for the job. This led to acceptance of appellant's application by the KPSC. He performed well, and thus was appointed as Boat Lascar on the 28th of July 2017. But the unsuccessful candidates challenged his appointment by filing applications before the KPSC. The Kerala State Administrative Tribunal didn't implead appellant as party to the proceeding and directed the KPSC to recast the ranked list by ignoring the suggestion to appoint ineligible candidates. The KPSC canceled the advice, and thus, the director canceled appellant's appointment on the 27th of October, 2018. The Kerala High Court also dismissed appellant's writ petition filed against tribunal's order. Subsequently, he appealed to the Supreme Court. The Honorable Supreme Court observed, Lascar is merely a feeder post for promotion to the post of Sirang. The appellant didn't possess the essential qualification required for the license of Lascar, and appointment made contrary to the statutory stipulation is void. The case should be merely decided on the basis of its peculiar facts, that is, instead of considering highly qualified candidate, consideration should be for candidates who possess essential qualification. Of course, the equality of opportunity in public employment is a sine qua non for fair selection process. But the stipulations of Article 142 were absent in the present case, as potential Sirang's holders might have not applied due to lack of awareness. To summarize, the Supreme Court stated the current case as illegal and non-est in the eyes of law, the appointment as nullity, and that there is no room for principle of equity in such cases. Follow us for more on Article 142.